情報が揃いました。書き始めます。岡山の喫茶店の窓から瀬戸内の光が差し込んでくるような感じ。その場所で育った少年が中学を卒業するときに書いたメッセージが何年も経ってから世界中の人の心を動かすことになった。藤井風は2023年9月28日、インスタグラムのストーリーズに学生時代のクラス文集の写真を突然アップした。何歳の時に書いたものかは明記されていなかったけれど、そこにはちゃんと15歳の彼の声が残っていた。クラスメートへのメッセージ欄にこう書いてあった。人生は一本の映画。どんな舞台設定でも、どんなストーリー展開でも、いつも冷静に、決して恐れずに、良い主人公を演じきって、天国でアカデミー賞をもらいましょう。中3の少年が書く言葉じゃない。そう思ったのは私だけじゃないはずで、ファンの間でも、あの言葉の深さに驚いた声がたくさん上がっていた。人生何周目なんだという反応が一番多かったのが、なんとなくわかる気がする。でもその文集には、もっと素朴な部分もあった。好きな曲の欄には、ケシャの TIK トックやゾーンのシークレットベース。好きな給食は、もやしとたくあんのごまあえ、手作り佃煮。25歳の自分への手紙のコーナーには、安売りを狙わず、半額を待たず、398円のお弁当は398円で買えるそんな男でありなさいと書いてある。ユーモアと哲学が同じ一枚の紙に並んでいる。それが藤井風という人間のずっと変わっていないところだと思う。この人の原点は岡山県の小さな町、里庄町にある。喫茶店を営む父親がいて、楽器の演奏経験もないのに子供たちのために独学で音楽を学び、3歳から風にピアノを教えた。英語も父が教えたという。これからは YouTube の時代という父の言葉に従って、12歳の時から実家の喫茶店でピアノ演奏をとって投稿し始めた。その喫茶店の空気と瀬戸内の光が彼の音楽の底にずっと流れている。2025年9月、藤井風は全曲英語詞による3枚目のアルバムプリマをリリースした。タイトルはサンスクリット語で無視の霊的な思考の愛を意味する言葉だ。彼自身がこのアルバムを作り始める前に燃え尽きていたと告白している。何も言うことはなかったし、音楽のキャリアはいつ終わってもおかしくなかったと。それでも作った。あの文集に書いた言葉と今の音楽が地続きになっているのが何度考えても不思議でならない。15歳の少年が書いた良い主人公を演じきってという一行は、20代後半の彼が燃え尽きながらもアルバムを完成させた理由とどこかで静かにつながっている気がする。
A 15-year-old writing to his classmates at graduation does not usually produce lines that people quite back to him a desired letter. Fujikawa did when he posted a photograph of his school yearbook pages on Instagram stories in September 2023. This section, the stop people could was a short message he had written to his class. Life is single film, he wrote. Whatever the setting, whatever the story brings, always take care, never fear. Play the role of a good protagonist to the end and receive your Academy Award in heaven. The argument at the center of this story is not that Fujikawa was a prodigy. The argument is that he was always himself, completely, consistently, almost stubbornly himself, and that the person he was at 15 in a small town in Okaya is the same person who burned out in his late 20s and then made the most separately abomination album of his career. The line runs straight. What makes the yearbook post so disarming is everything around that serious message on the same page. His favorite song was Listen as Kihaka TikTok alongside Zone's Secret Base. His favorite school lunch was a Sims and pickled radish side dish. In the section asking what advice he would give to the 25-year-old. The kind of man who pays 398 yen for a 398 yen Bantu box without hunting for sales or waiting of her price markdown. He grew up in Satasho, a small town on the Seattle Island. See, in Okaya, his father ran a coffee shop there and, with no musical background of his own, taught himself music in of his own order to pass it on his children. By the time Fujikaza was 3 years old, he was learning piano. His father also taught him English at 12 following his father's belief that YouTube was growing to challenges everything. Fujikawa started posting piano covers from inside that coffee shop. The videos show a boy playing songs he had learned by ear from all different areas or genres in what looks like a small warm ordinary room. The quality of the playing is not ordinary at all. By 2025, he released his third studio album, Prima, with every song written entirely in English. The title comes from a Sanskrit word meaning selfless, spiritual, and conjugal love. He produced it in Los Angeles after singing with Republic Records. In 2024, he has described the period before making it honestly. He said he was burnt out. He said he had nothing left to say. He said that for a period his music career felt like it cloud ended and at any moment without much of a protest from him. And yet the album he made from the place is full of something that sounds like real life, not the real life of someone who escaped hot thing, but the relief of something collaborator. The yearbook page also been as less. The culture finds artists like this eventually inevitable. It does. But what it cannot manufacture is the consistency. The version of him that shows up in the 2025 album is the version that wrote the yearbook message. Slightly awkward, deeply honestly, funnier than people accept, and entirely universities and in pretending to be something other than what he is. That is rare, and it is only thing that actually hold up over time.